Replaces damaged or missing USCAR vehicle harnesses. Includes 24 color-coded, bonded wires for easy installation. Made in USA. Retrofits weatherproof USCAR Type 7-way to vehicles not equipped by using CURT part numbers 55415, 55515, 55664, 55774, 56415, 56515 or 57101. Like trailer hitches and ball mounts, electrical connectors range all over the board in shape, size and capability, but no matter what your trailer's electrical functions are, you need a solid connection to keep the power flowing and ensure safety on the road. CURT electrical connectors are designed and manufactured to give you a reliable connection every time you plug in your trailer. This 7-way USCAR replacement harness is designed to replace an existing USCAR plug and supply power for taillights, turn signals, electric trailer brakes, a battery, reverse lights and brake lights, as well as a ground connection. It features rust-free black plastic construction and comes with color-coded wires and 24 of bonded wire for easy splicing into your vehicle's wiring system. This 7-way USCAR connector is a female end socket, specifically designed for the vehicle side of the connection. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for my 2006 Silverado factory trailer wiring. So my 6-month-old Labrador was laying in the shade of my truck and must have been bored or mad, because she chewed all the wires going to my trailer light receptacle. Bad dog. I ordered this wiring harness and had it fixed in about 30 minutes. I did have a couple wires that did not color match, but I had taken a pic of the old connector so I had the position of the wires in the socket. Once wired, it snapped right into the back of my receptacle.